What makes a great chef's knife? Forged with proprietary materials, well-balanced weight, or the grip comfort? But the most important feature we would all agree upon? A great chef's knife must be sharp, able to slice through every ingredient imaginable without effort. Introducing Real, the premium Damascus chef's knife that is ergonomically engineered with your unique cooking style in mind. First off, let's talk about the blade. Enveloped in 33 layers of premium Damascus steel on each side, the cutting core of Real is made from uniquely formulated VG10 high-carbon steel. It boasts up to 62 Rockwell hardness and honed to an extremely sharp edge with exceptional retention. We've also included rhythmic rocking curves that would deliver fine dining-worthy meal prep without hassle. The blade is wide enough to transfer ingredients effortlessly from chopping board to pan. And a pointed tip perfectly pierces prep duty products, like when you need to debone a fish or even a whole chicken. A great chef's knife should be universally adaptive, regardless of your food culture, cooking style, and even physical conditions, as we believe there are no two meals that are the same. For better holding flexibility and wielding versatility, we've merged our signature wedge bolster with the ergonomic handle. Take a regular grip hold and enjoy how the flat top bolster lends extra leverage and pressure to tackle tough work. And for more delicate ingredients, we've designed grooves on either side of the bolster that grants a comfortable pinch grip on the blade for more maneuverability. When it comes to mincing or vigorous dicing, the wide grip of Real will ensure you generate enough momentum to deliver finely chopped prep. The art-crafted handle makes for a comfortable grip that equips you with a true knife extension of your hand. We've even made enough knuckle room to guarantee complete slicing, chopping, and dicing comfort. At Hard Crafts, we're passionate about creating fine kitchenware products for those who are passionate about cooking. If the door to the heart is a well-prepped meal, we hope Real is the right key to unlock it. Thanks for supporting us on Kickstarter, and bon appetit!